Hi there, Rob here, and today we are talking about FlyWP and WooCommerce. Hosting a WooCommerce store can come with challenges that go beyond a typical WordPress site. Dynamic pages like the cart, checkout, and my account can't be fully cached, which means every visitor generates PHP and database activity. During sales or seasonal traffic spikes, CPU and RAM usage can climb quickly, slowing down the entire store. Add in plugin conflicts, growing product catalogs, security concerns, and the challenge of managing multiple stores, and it's easy to see why WooCommerce hosting can be challenging. FlyWP addresses these challenges by giving you tools that solve real hosting problems. Instead of just giving you a server, it provides the tools you actually need to run WooCommerce efficiently. Docker-powered site isolation helps improve security, while support for Nginx or OpenLightspeed lets you optimize performance. Redis object caching reduces database load, Cloudflare integration adds a layer of CDN speed and protection, and automatic backups gives you peace of mind before updates. Features like global blueprints, clone and transfer, server monitoring, the logs, one-click apps, and team management make it much easier to deploy, maintain, and scale one store or dozens of them from a single dashboard. Let's dive into each of these in the FlyWP dashboard. Page speed is critical for both conversions and SEO. FlyWP lets you choose between Nginx and OpenLightspeed, so you can optimize your server stack for your specific WooCommerce workload. WooCommerce can make frequent database queries, especially on larger stores. Enabling the Redis object caching helps reduce database load and speeds up repeat requests. As traffic grows, you don't want one busy site affecting another. FlyWP uses Docker-powered site isolation, so each site runs in its own environment, improving stability and security. Managing multiple WooCommerce stores can quickly become time-consuming. FlyWP brings all of your servers and sites together in a single dashboard, making administration much more efficient. Security should be built into your hosting stack. Docker isolation, firewall support, SSL management all help protect your stores while keeping management simple. If you deploy similar WooCommerce sites regularly, global blueprints can save a lot of time. Create a standard configuration once, and then deploy it consistently across every new site. Migrating WooCommerce stores doesn't have to be stressful. FlyWP includes migration tools that simplify moving existing sites with minimal downtime. Always have a recovery plan before making changes. Automated backups and one-click restores make it easy to recover quickly if something goes wrong. Optimizing a server usually involves several moving parts. FlyWP makes it easy to enable Redis, OptCache, and other performance tools with just a few clicks. As your team grows, not everyone needs full server access. Granular permissions lets you give developers, clients, and teammates only the access they need. A CDN helps deliver your site faster while adding another layer of protection. FlyWP's Cloudflare integration makes connecting your sites quick and straightforward. Keeping SSL certificates current is essential. With free Let's Encrypt and Cloudflare Origin CA integration, both simplify ensuring secure connections between visitors and your FlyWP server. You can't fix problems you can't see. Built-in monitoring and logs gives you visibility into your server's health, making it much easier to diagnose performance and application issues. Whether you're managing one store or dozens, there are a handful of best practices that can improve performance, reliability, and security. Let's go through my top 5. Number 1, keep everything updated. Regularly update WordPress, WooCommerce, themes, PHP, and plugins to improve performance and security. Number 2, cache smart. Not everything cache product and content pages, but never cache the cart, checkout, or My Account pages. Use object caching is number 3. Enable Redis object caching to reduce database load and speed up WooCommerce. Number 4, backup before every update. Automated daily backups are great, but always take an on-demand backup before making any major changes. Number 5, monitor, don't just react. Keep an eye on PHP errors, uptime, and server resources so you can catch issues before customers do. Okay, that wraps up my top 5 best practices. Remember, a fast WooCommerce store isn't just about powerful hosting. It's about good maintenance, smart caching, reliable backups, and proactive monitoring. We've covered quite a bit of WooCommerce here, and FlyWP brings all of those pieces together, as I've shown you, in one easy-to-manage platform. From one-click deployments and server management to performance optimization and backups, it simplifies the work of running WordPress and WooCommerce sites. If you're ready to spend less time managing servers and more time building your business, give FlyWP a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.